Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your exact NVIDIA GPU model and operating system, so you download a compatible package. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up any critical work to avoid data loss. Open Device Manager or System Information to read the driver version currently installed. Then close games and resource-heavy apps to prevent conflicts during installation. Next, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or NVIDIA Driver Download Utility, and prepare to select the appropriate Game Ready or Studio driver. You now pick the correct driver type, Game Ready for gaming or Studio for creative apps, because each is tuned differently. After selecting OS and GPU family, download the installer matching 64-bit or 32-bit architecture. Most modern PCs use 64-bit. When the download finishes, run the installer as administrator. Choose Express for a quick default install or Custom if you need a clean installation to remove old driver remnants. If prompted about DCH versus standard, match what your system previously used to avoid driver. You should let the installer complete and then reboot immediately to finalize driver activation. After restart, verify the new driver version in Device Manager or NVIDIA Control Panel to confirm success. If you encounter display glitches or failed installs, run a clean uninstall with Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, then reinstall the chosen package. If problems persist, roll back to the previous driver from Device Manager. Check PSU stability and GPU temperature, and make sure Windows updates aren't blocking driver components before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.